guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video I'm going to show you on how to delete empty file or folder or even a directory from a Linux. So in order for me to do this, these are the commands that I'm going to use. So let me clear my work. Let me clear this one. In the previous video I had shown you on how to create an empty directory. So let me see what I have. So these are the files that these are rather the directory that I have. I have 2023, an empty directory, Linux tutorial 2023. This is a file, this was another file, this is another file, this is a directory. So let's assume that I want to delete this one. I want to delete 2023. So I will use the command for you to delete a directory which is empty. You use the command rm, which stands for remove 2023. So maybe in English it's supposed to be remove directory 2023, but in coding we prefer to say it remove rm 2023. Then you press enter. Okay, we cannot remove this one since this one is a directory. We use the command rm if we want to remove a file. Therefore, for us now to remove a directory, we use the command rm dir, then the name of the directory that you want to get rid of, which is the 2023. Then you press the enter button. So what we have just done, we have deleted the directory 2023. Let me see whether we have deleted that directory from our systems successfully. You can see that it does not exist anymore in our list. If you look at this one, we have 2023 empty directory, Linux tutorial, not here, old school, ready to be removed, school and tutorial. So what you have done, we have used the command rm dir to get rid of our directory. But for the case of a file, we use the command rm. Don't get confused of the two. So in the next video, I will show you how to move, rename files and directory. So don't forget to like, comment, and if you have any question, just write it down in the comment section. I will get back into you. I will go all the questions that I will get and try in my level best to explain in the simplest language on how to go about it in the Linux system. Thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue supporting the channel. Share with your friends. Thank you. Have a lovely day.